Now, let's go back to Abia State and, of course, to the story regarding the suspension of the Abia State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Ngozi Okoronkwo, on allegations, we must point out, of financial mismanagement. We have Chinwe Ugele, who is our correspondent in Abia State. Chinwe, good afternoon to you. Now, this is an interesting development. Can you please tell us more about this suspension?
Just about an hour ago, the Commissioner for Information, Prince Okekano, issued a statement confirming the rumors that came out yesterday that the Commissioner for Health, Ngozi Okoronkwo, had been suspended from office. But a lot of us, because even the statement did not state clearly the reason for the suspension, other that it was for misconduct, or misconduct could be anything. It could be, some people had alluded to financial misappropriation or impropriety or high-handedness, a lot of things. But then that ministry has had lots of issues recently. So I think her suspension was somehow anticipated.
I mean, this is all in the realm of speculation, or let's say allegation, which will be investigated. As your report has said, she's suspended for the investigation to go on smoothly. But is there any indication as to whether there is any, veracity or truth to the allegations the commissioner is facing?
Well, until the investigations are completely conducted, one wouldn't say, because even the commissioner, the special advisor to the governor on media, I called him earlier today to ask about it, but he was like, there was no official statement to that effect yet. But people wouldn't just allude or assume that it was because of financial issues that she was asked to, step down. But then a lot of things have been happening in that ministry lately, like I did say earlier. Last week, I was actually in her office to interview her about a story I was trying to look into concerning the schools of midwifery and nursing in Abia State. But she declined, and I later on gathered that she asked the principal of the school to step down, one of the schools to step down with the accountants in those schools. So a lot of things have been happening, and some of the students who are in the school have complained about series of things, and in some quarters, people had claimed that she spent so much money during the AMPA visits. That is the time where we had missionaries from all medical practitioners from Nigeria that are in the Americas. They came to Abia State to offer free treatment. Some monies are said to have been, provided for that event, but people are saying that they were not all spent. I also heard about a pharmacist who supplied most of the medications that were used for the event, who is yet to be paid. So these are some of the things that the investigations that are being carried out right now will unravel and bring to the fore if actually there were claims of, or there were truth to the financial impropriety being levied against her.
All right, Chinwe, thank you very much for the updates. It's quite an interesting, though touching story. We do hope that everything is clarified going forward. But it's good to see you, and looking forward to more, revealing reports from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.